Hi, this is Denpia, Group Two's leader. I would like to apologize for my voice can't be heard, and the first part of the video was corrupted wherein me, Ma'am Paran, Ma'am Gillig, and Ma'am Ontiza were talking. Summarization of the difference between supervision and administration was in the end. But still enjoy.
And ensuring the smooth operation of the organization, while ang supervision providing guidance, monitoring progress, then addressing performance issues, and ensuring tasks are completed efficiently. Yes, ma'am.
So para supervision ma'am kay it's about kanang guiding and helping people do their task well, like for example sa kuan teacher, so they are helping the students, while sa principal kay they're also checking on the teachers on ang para nako ang supervision. Then sa administrations kay it's all about kanang planning and managing the whole system, like for example setting rules, organizing resources, and making big decisions for school or organization. Ako ang
Yes, ma'am. Martin. Ako di ba mata nakatog. So for me, ma'am, so let's start here. For administrations at that. So administration, ma'am, is my research focuses broader strategic planning, policy development, and also organizational management. So the responsibility for the teacher here includes decision making, policy implementation, and also ensuring that operation runs smoothly in line with the organization goals. And for the supervision, it focuses on direct on-site of day-to-day activities and tasks. So here, the responsibility of the teacher here includes providing feedback, yes, solving issues, ensuring adherence to policies, and providing trainings and also guidance. Sir, ma'am, nakatog.
Hello,
Hi, good
ay
evening.
sorry. Okay, ikaw sa una, ma'am.
Murag, the same, registered tag mga na-research. Copy-paste na lang,
Same.
ma'am. After. Bito ka na, more or less ka na unsay jay task sa, kung ano, sa mga higher ups pa, na mo diri sa DepEd, mo dyan na siya. Ang supervision and administration, although, mo kuan lang siya, ah, ang difference lang gid niya, ang supervision is direct. Yeah, while ang administration murag sa overall na jud siya. Murag ana ra cute. Thank you very much.
Same rigid, ma'am. Like a supervision, like watching over workers, for example, helping them and also checking progress, while the administration is managing the whole organization and making big decisions for and planning for the future. Thank you.
Pwede na
Ano
siguro,
lang mo,
ma'am.
parachada.
Kuan.
Murag
Oh,
naa siya'y
may
kuan, ma'am.
conclusion.
Murag naa siya'y follow-up
Para
questions after
naatay
ana.
conclusion.
Nay follow-up questions after ato. Sa mm. Ang
In summarization of Group 2's answer, we came with these definition of supervision and administration. Supervision. It is the process of guiding, monitoring progress, addressing performance issue, ensuring tasks are completed efficiently. Administration. Planning and managing the whole system, like setting rules, organizing resources, and making big decisions in school, company, community, organization, etc.